What's up guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can easily check the version of your Python library or Python package you have installed. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you are going to open your Python interpreter. In my case, I'll open idle. So I'm going to be showing you an example of a Python package I installed. It's called teleport, and I'll show you how I can get the version of teleport I installed. So what I'll do, I'll import teleport. So I'll import the package, and after importing it, then I will print. So I'll call the package name teleport dot two underscores version, and then two underscores, and then when I press enter I should be able to get the version number. To show you for another package like LXML, to get its version number, what I'll do, I'll import the package and then I print LXML dot underscore, two of them, version, and then two underscore 4.5.2. so this will work for most of the packages, the Python packages, but in some rare cases you will find a library which does not support this version method, and what you'll have to do is you're going to close the interpreter, and you will go to your command prompt. So in my case I'll type cmd, and then I'm going to call pip and then freeze, pip freeze. So this will list all the packages I have installed. So you can type pip freeze and you will see all the installed packages with the version numbers. If you want to strictly get a specific package, for example this one, beautiful soup bs4, what you will do, you will type pip freeze space, then the pipe symbol and space, and then you type find str and then the package bs4. When I type that, I should be able to get only that package and the version number. This will work for all packages, and the first case it will work for most of them, but if it doesn't support the version method, then you'll be getting an error. But this second option supports all of them. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If it worked for you, don't forget to like the video. Cheers.